Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor browser on AlmaLinux OS 10. Okay, so first open the default browser that comes with AlmaLinux OS, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor project.org. Then click on download Tor browser, or see here we have the download for Tor browser. Download Tor browser. Both are same. Click on download Tor browser. Then scroll down. See here we have the options for Linux. So click on download for Linux. Wait a moment. Download will be download started and its size is 118 megabytes. Wait until download completes. And it is zip file. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. CD downloads ls. We have to unzip this file tar hyphen u xf, then tar, use the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. Now go to this tar browser folder, ls. Now we have to open this one, so give dot start, give the forward slash dot forward slash start, then give the, then press tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Wait a moment, it is opening the Tor browser. See, you got the Tor browser, and if you want to connect, you have to click on here, and if you want to always connect automatically, you have to click on here, then click on connect. See, you have successfully connected. Okay, and see here the default search engine for Tor browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so go to the terminal, cd ls. This file is not required, so rm give tar, enter. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor browser on AlmaLinux OS 10. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.